Over 30% of the Earth is made of iron. And for thousands of years, humanity has used iron to innovate. It's in the bridges that connect us, the cars that we drive, and in the appliances we use every day. What if iron could also hold the key to a clean and reliable electric grid? Renewable energy is the lowest cost and fastest growing energy source globally. However, to date, there hasn't been a way to reliably store renewable power for long periods of time, affordably and at scale. We need new technologies capable of storing energy for multiple days to help us in times of extreme weather, low renewable power generation, and grid outages. At Form Energy, we're pioneering a new class of cost-effective iron-air batteries to make electricity available when and where it is needed most. Here's how the battery works. When iron is exposed to oxygen, it rusts. As the iron in the battery rusts, it releases electrons, which are used to provide electricity to the grid. Then, when there is an excess amount of power, electrons flow back into the battery, and the process is reversed, unrusting the iron and recharging the battery. This cycle continues, resulting in a battery that can store energy for 100 hours at a time, which we determined is the optimal amount of time to achieve a cost-effective and dependable electric grid. Deep in the heart of the Rust Belt in Weirton, West Virginia, on the site of a historic shuttered steel mill, we operate a factory where we manufacture our iron-air batteries. These batteries are being sold and deployed across the United States. At Form Energy, we are using iron to reshape the way energy is stored and forge a path towards a clean and reliable electric grid, serving generations to come.